Hello guys, I'm back with the new video again. Today we are going to discuss about what is a web API and going to develop a web API in Java. A web API, the name suggests, is an API over the web which can be accessed using HTTP protocol. We can say it's a web service. So it's a service that provides us, and for example, web API can be exposed. Web API can be acted as endpoint. For example, let's take an example of Facebook. We are going to have a web API that retrieves the friends of friends or a friend list of a person. So we can use the web API in our programming environment or development environments. So today we are going to discuss about how to develop a simple web API using Java technology. So before going to that, we need to have a Java Enterprise Edition eclipse to be installed in your computer, and knowledge over Java is required. So now we are going to do with this maven project as a maven project, because we don't need to, in maven project, every dependency and building of the project will be taken care by the maven. So if we add manually or by connecting the jar files from outside, it is going to be some hectic process. And basically maven is a utility that helps us to manage our development. So today we are going to build an API using a maven. So first select new maven project as you see. Next. Next. Now I'm going to type Jersey. See, Jersey is a web service in Java. It's a library that helps us to build a web service. Before it used to be SOAP, now it has become Jersey. SOAP, the message exchange between the application through XML, but Jersey allows us to exchange the message, or communication can be in JSON, HTML, or plain text. So it allows multiple types. So it is more updated version than SOAP. It is widely used, and basically now we are going to see how JSON is transferred over the for the communication. Now next. Just type group ID for building your group ID. Group ID is a unique ID for your maven project. So let's say we are going to build a web service, right? Web service, we'll type web API. It might not look right. So let's say API and artifact ID, it will be the name of your project. So I will keep tutorial or with tutorial. Next, okay, finish. Yeah, here you see it's our sorry, where is, here. Here is a project, and see, we are going to see POM XML file. If you see, this is the dependencies it has added to our project, and we will discuss more about these things when we are going deep into the project. First of all, there is an error rate showing. Let's see what's the error. The error is web tutorial superclass Java example. Let's ignore this error for a while, and we'll see how it runs. First of all, run on server. Let's see, finish. Okay, restart it. No problem. restarting it takes a few seconds. Meanwhile, we would see the directory structure if you want, and see here the name has begun with an okay, it has started. See, it's basically a first root project. When the project has, when project has started, it goes to the root. So basically, in servlet or web application technology, it goes to index.jsp, as you know that, and our index.html like that. So if you see here, you can see the index.html in the web.inf folder. Yeah. So if you see, this is the main code, and this is what appears by default. So when you start and up the project, so now I'm going to click on JC resource. See, you will get this message. This is the message from the JC web API or web API. So we'll see how it looks, our web API, and yeah, that will be at the resources. Yeah, my resource on Java. See, this is how, here the path is my resource for this special web API, and yeah, this is the media type it produces, the text plane. This is what it returns string type. So this is basically root to our service. That is my resource, and in index.jsp you can see the root for that. My resource, and web API is again we'll see in web.xml how the resource is. How URL is working. And yeah, let's see web.inf web.xml. See. This is a servlet container class path, or servlet class and servlet container class basically, and the URL pattern for that. So our basically all resources starts with the web API / and our path root to our service. So now we are up and running the web service here. Let's see what it's saying. Yeah, what it has shown. Yeah, got it. So this is what we have written in the web service, right? So I'm going to change the web service as we require. Now I'm going to, for example, developing a to retrieve the names of college or students or whatever it may be with the name and age, so that they can display into their website. So okay, basically changing I'm going to write a class which adds like a jogging class which acts as a model to the like a data model. So let's write class. Okay, let's name it as person. Public class person, and I'm going to give default constructor first, and then okay, this might take some time. You need to really start. I could use Java directly, but yeah, I'm writing. Yeah. think it's over without any errors. See, yeah, I'm going to import that class into our service. Right. Import API. Yeah, of course, and yeah, I'm going to add here. I'm going to keep a list. I think I forgot to add what. Yeah, I need to add little package since it has to detect arrays function, arrays class. So okay. Now we need to add persons, right? Person p equals to person. Let's say W 20. Actually, we can use. You have to use some your mechanism like retrieving the fields from database or any file or like that, because here I'm directly adding it, but here your program comes like from where we need to retrieve the records and give it to the for user or client. I'm going to add it. What array input Java? Okay, yeah, that's the mistake. Okay, then let add person cannot be resolved, right? Okay. Now we have to check what it's giving the result. So I just again internal error counted a problem. Basically, what problem? Message body writer not count for media type could explain. Util not array list. Yeah, it basically unable to parse this one, the given object. So we are using the JSON now. So I will convert into the JSON. Media type dot JSON. JSON. The application JSON. So before doing that, we need to have actually JSON needs some library support to convert the plain text into the JSON. So I mean, we need to have some library or class which converts our array list object or text into the JSON. So I would like to take the help of the libraries we have. So let's open pom.xml file. You could see the dependency for the converting our array list object into the JSON. Basically, JSON is used to JSON is an object for communication for communicating the data over the internet. It's very popular. Recently, you can search about the JSON in the internet very clearly. Let's see POM file where it is there. Check for it. JC bundle. See, this is what we need to uncomment. I forgot. Actually, there is a thing to uncomment. JSON binding. Sorry, I thought it was. So now you could see that, right? Yeah. I think our error will go now. Okay, it's restarting, but Twitter has already restarted again. Yeah, it's working, so we can see it in the Chrome now. Control C. Okay, basically. Okay, no problem. We'll see. Open the file, JSON file. Actually, in the Chrome it shows directly, so but in Eclipse it need to be downloaded. It's not. It's other project. Sorry to see this. Yeah, this is what.